Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something very important. We are talking about your life, the only one you get, and how you can spend it wisely before it is too late. This lesson will help you improve your English listening and understanding. Learn new vocabulary, reflect on your own life. So relax, listen carefully, and think about the questions. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever looked at the clock, realized it was already evening, and wondered where did the day go? In the morning, you wake up, you check your phone, you eat breakfast, you go to work or school, you come home, you watch videos, you sleep. And suddenly another day is gone. Days become weeks, weeks become months, months become years. Time does not stop, time never waits. But many people live as if they have unlimited time. They say, I will do it tomorrow, I will start next year, I will be happy someday. But someday is not guaranteed. Now tell me, how many of your days do you actually remember? How many were truly yours? How many felt meaningful? How many made you feel alive? Many days disappear because we live on autopilot. We wake up, work, scroll, sleep, and repeat. We are busy but not alive. We are active but not fulfilled. Being busy is not the same as living. Let me tell you a short story. There was a man named Daniel. Daniel worked every day. He woke up early and came home late. He always said, when I have more money, I will travel. When I have more time, I will spend time with my family. When life becomes easier, I will enjoy it. Years passed. One day Daniel looked in the mirror and saw gray hair. He felt tired. He felt empty. He realized something painful. He had waited for life to begin, but life had already passed. From that day, Daniel changed. He started walking every morning. He called his old friends. He learned a new language. He laughed more. His life did not become perfect, but it became meaningful. Spending life wisely does not mean being rich. It does not mean being famous. It means choosing what truly matters. Spending life wisely means talking to people you love, learning new things, helping others, taking care of your body and mind, doing something that makes you feel proud, being present in the moment. It means not wasting all your time on things that do not matter. Phones, social media, anger, fear, comparison. They steal your time quietly. You don't need to change everything in one day. Small changes are powerful. For example, read 10 minutes every day, walk 15 minutes every day. Learn 5 new English words, drink more water, sleep earlier, speak kindly. Small habits build a big future. A river is made of many small drops of water. Your life is made of many small choices. Fear is normal. Everyone feels fear. Fear says you are not good enough. You will fail. People will laugh. But courage says try anyway. Every successful person failed many times. Failure is not the end. Failure is part of learning. If you wait until you are ready, you may wait forever. Start small. Start today. Life is not only about you. When you help others, you feel more alive. A smile, a kind word, a small action. These things change lives. Sometimes you don't know how important you are to someone. Kindness costs nothing, but it is priceless. Every morning ask yourself, how can I use today wisely? Not, how can I survive today? But, how can I live today? One good thought in the morning can change the whole day. Life is short, but it can be deep. It can be beautiful. It can be meaningful. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be awake. Wake up to your life. Wake up to your time. Wake up to your dreams. Thank you for learning English with me today. Remember, your time is your life. Do not waste it. If you enjoyed this lesson, listen again. Practice speaking. Share with a friend. Write one sentence about your life. Learning English is not only about grammar, it is about understanding yourself and the world. See you in the next lesson. Please subscribe my channel.